Hey guys, welcome back to Tech One, and today we're gonna do an amazing video. But this video is not a normal review; it's actually an early review, and the phone we're gonna do is iPhone 13. So, if you guys are so excited, what you guys need to do is right now just scroll down to the video, press the subscribe button before you guys see this video, and turn on the notifications and like this video. And let's head to the video right now, right away. So as we hit iPhone 13, when we hit to that, we get to know that iPhone 13's the reasons you need to buy this iPhone 13 is that because it's having a selfie shooter with retina flash, cool camera rare features, powerful processor and co-processor for smooth outfit, and standard RAM and dust proof and water resistant. So you guys will understand why I told you all this. Beware of no fingerprint sensors are not there, and no expandable memory. Now, when we go to the verdict of this phone, let's say Apple iPhone 13 is the latest venture of the brand. Like the procedures, iPhone 13 is also an astonishing device to look out for. The water and the dust-resistant handset offers impressive display features and a stunning camera setup on the front and the back. Apple known for the precision and its more offering notch within the particular, ensuring great screen space. The absence of the fingerprint sensor can cause dissatisfaction among the several buyers. But this phone is great. Sturdy smartphone with cool features by Apple. So you guys will get to know more facts while we go ahead. So in the sturdy smartphone with cool features by Apple, you guys will have 3 to 4 points of this phone. So let's head to that. First is display and camera.
So when we go to the display and the camera, Apple iPhone 13 flaunts OLED display and 6.2-inch bezel-less display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It is possessing a screen resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels. Besides a pixel density of 450 ppi, the smartphone is equipped with dual cameras on the rear side, consisting of a 13-megapixel primary lens accompanied by another 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, which portrays cool features like dual LED flash, face detection, autofocus, exposure compensation, HDR mode, along with the digital zoom and face detection. The smartphone is also supplied with a 13 megapixel selfie shooter on the front, equipped with a retina flash. Let's go to the configuration and the battery of the smartphone. Apple iPhone 13.
So when we go to the let's say when we go to the configuration and battery of this phone, we can know that this phone is having a great configuration and battery. Because the reason I told you that is because the Apple iPhone 13 runs on an Apple A14 Bionic chipset backed up by Hera core processor layout, compromising a dual core Firestorm and quad core Ice Storm, performing a clock speed of 31 gigahertz and 1.8 gigahertz respectively. So that's the reason why I told you in the first only when we were starting the video, we told by 4. So I told you there were powerful processors and co-processors for smooth outfit. So that's the reason why I told you this. So then the brand has embedded an Apple M14 motion to a co-processor to enhance the overall experience. An Apple 4-core GPU and 4 GB RAM facilitate smooth and lag-free performance. The smartphone derives its powers from Leon Type 3200 mAh non-replaceable battery with fast charging technology. The smartphone is also compatible with the wireless charging mechanism. So now let's say the storage and connectivity.
As we go to the storage and connectivity of Apple iPhone, owns a non-expandable 64 GB of internal storage. It supports 5G and 4G VoLTE bands, besides other features like Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, version 5.1, Bluetooth, A GPS with GLONASS, NFC, mobile hotspot, USB charging facilities. So as we go to the price in India of the Apple iPhone 13, Apple iPhone 13 price in India is expected to be rupees 89,990. Apple iPhone 13 is expected to be launched on August 12, 2021. This is 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, base variant of Apple iPhone 13, which is expected to be available in black and gold color. And that's all with the review. If you want more tech videos like this, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, share with your friends, relatives, family members, and whoever you know. That will be great support for us to make more videos. Subscribe for the review of the iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max coming soon. So, anyways, thank you so much for watching. This is Tech World signing off.
Bye
Bye.
bye.